The miraculous occurs outside of time, and it is not a consequence of causality. There isn't a this causing a that. All things happen, or all phenomena occur as a consequence of potentiality becoming actuality, as in the process is one of emergence. Because you picture things, you witness them sequentially, you think that sequence is out in the universe. There is no sequence in the universe. There's no sequence in the universe. The sequence is in the observer. The phenomena are not occurring sequentially. The witnessing is occurring sequentially. As the thing emerges like this, you do a stop, 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 stop. And you think those are all stages, but it's actually all just one action. All right. Because everything emerges from potentiality into actuality, it does so when the conditions are appropriate. So the seed does not become a seedling in the middle of winter. So because the local conditions, however, its potential lays there all winter long. The potential of some, what do they call them, century plants may lay underground for 100 years, and then suddenly, the right conditions, it emerges. So the potentiality is within, and it waits to be actualized when local conditions are favorable. One of the local conditions that is very, very powerful, because of the Heisenberg principle, is prayer and supplication. In this particular lifetime, from the lowest pits of hell to suddenly the infinite presence, all came about as a consequence of a profound supplication. If there is a God, I ask him to help me. And then, a 180, from the endless pits of endless suffering and agony, foreverness of hell, suddenly the dazzling brilliance of the source of existence itself shone forth, the earth, transformed everything to this day. So, the miraculous is not the result of causation. Therefore, there's no person causing a miracle. There's no person that does miracles. People who advertise that they're miracle workers, you should always calibrate them. The miraculous we've observed all around the world, including myself many a time. It's always a phenomena that you don't even get until it's happened. You witness it. Because of a certain energy, and because of the supplication on the part of the person, and because of karmic appropriateness, the phenomena that would seem scientifically unlikely happen, and they happen relatively often, not infrequent, but relatively frequent. So the mechanics of it is that the potentiality is there. Karmic propensity is one of the local conditions. The prevailing energy field is one of the local conditions. And praying, of course, increases the power of the context, which is the spiritual energy. So in the presence of a high spiritual energy, a likelihood becomes an actuality. It's like the apple is waiting to fall from the tree. And when a certain energy walks by the tree, it drops. But that which walked by the tree doesn't cause the apple to drop. You understand? It just precipitates a potentiality by virtue of the power of the energy.